Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix app not working or opening on iPhone. It is the apps, whether Apple's native or third party, that complete the iPhone experience, but at times or several apps may stop working on your iPhone. They may not open, get stuck on the loading screen, or crash all of a sudden. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force quiet the iOS app. This is the first solution to fix misbehaving, unresponsive and crashing apps. To the app switcher on iPhone with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. On iPhone with the home button, double press it and then swipe up the problematic app to force quiet it. After 15 seconds, open the app again and see if it works. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Turning off and back on your iPhone is one of the golden fixes that solve almost all the minor problems, including app failure. You just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update the app. Some apps might stop working if you have not updated them. I noticed this commonly with bank apps, career apps and other similar ones. If out of nowhere the app stops working or fetching new content and starts crashing, consider updating to the latest version. From the iPhone home screens or app library, long press the App Store icon and choose updates. Now pull down this page to refresh the list of available app updates. Tap update next to an app. You may also choose to tap update all and you are done. And also you should check for app outage on the web. When popular apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, Instagram, Facebook, Disney+, Netflix, etc. stop working, there is global outrage. People are usually vocal about it on social media. And the next step is check for the app restrictions in screen time, or if you are a child, your guardian, you may restrict some apps via the screen time. If yes, it take a minute to ensure the app is not restricted. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on app limits. From here, you can tap on the app that is added. At the bottom, you can see the option of delete limit. Tap on it and delete the limit. And you are done. And the next step is delete and reinstall the app. This is one of the steps that you can take to fix the app problem. Before proceeding, please understand that deleting an app will remove all the data. So for this, long press on an empty space on the screen and keep pressing unless all the app icons start shaking. Tap the minus icon and then tap on delete app to confirm. Now restart your phone and open the App Store and re-download this app and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is reset iPhone settings. Does nothing seem to work? If yes, go ahead and reset all the iPhone settings. This will not delete any personal data, but all changed settings will fail back to the default state. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. From here you can tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of apps not working or opening on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.